Suck balls.
Tell him how you feel, Jessica.
Suck balls, man.
Tell him how you feel.
I am. Like, that's it?
Tell him how she feels. If I said that right.
But I won't drive.
Tasty iPod, tasty.
Just the tea. Wow.
But look at the blue light, look at that. About to start driving. Yep. You know what sucks? My Osiris's, they're big. So like when I lift up my foot to like press the gas or brake, sometimes I press the wrong one. We're gonna die tonight. Wish me luck.